looking good. It's looking good.
There you go. There you go.
Do you want to do this so I can?
Sure.
There you go. Grab that net.
Thanks.
Not a problem.
Then we'll let you hold it and pretend it's your fish. I promise.
What'd you put, Nightcrawler?
That's an inflated night crawler, and he's
That's
soft.
just what I threw out there right now. That's exactly what I just put on mine.
Is he still on?
Oh yeah, I can see him. He's decent size.
Is that him right there?
No, that's further out. I was way out too. I was just gonna change the meters and maybe go a little longer. Get him out of the grass.
Yeah, what do you at, 2?
Yeah,
Oh wow, he's good size.
yeah. I can feel he's pretty.
Wow, look how big he is.
He took.
Oh, come on, come on, come on, come
Oh, he just saw the shore.
on. Uh-oh.
He's a good size guy. Look at him, right there.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, nice, nice, nice.
If you don't want to get him his water beat, I'll go for it if you don't. You don't want any water.
Where'd he go? There he is.
Right in front of, right in front of. There he is. There he is, right there. Nice one, nice one.
Nice.
Yeah.
Not gonna hog that guy.
Come on, buddy.
He's still taking it. He just made another little run.
Still take a line, huh?
4 pound and 2 pound.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Oh,
4 pound and 2 pound leader. And now he's going on the other line.
See, 2-pound leader. See, that's what I was saying.
Yeah, because I have a 4 pound. He's coming. Here we go.
Tire him out.
Wow! There you go, brother. There you go, man. Oh, that's a nice one.
woo! First catch of the day, Silver Lake.
I was gonna say, that's
You got it.
Hey, buddy.
That is.
First catch of the day. He's huge.
Hell yeah.
Huge. That's crazy. What'd you use?
Nightcrawler.
Nightcrawler, Silver Lake,
I was expecting one of those.
Personal best right there.
personal best.
That is an
Beautiful.
awesome fish. It's beautiful. It's a pretty good one.
Were you guys on the shore?
Yeah, from the shore. Thank you.
I filled up 2 shopping carts late last night. One was full of fishing gear, the other Miller Lite. Checkout lady laughed and said, "You think you've got enough?" And I said, "Yeah, you're probably right," and filled another 2 carts up. Gonna catch all the fish, gonna drink all the beer, gonna anchor down, we're staying here. Might take all day, might take all year, till we catch all the fish, till we drink all the beer.